Have you ever tried teaching a friend a new skill, only to be met with blank stares and furrowed brows? Or maybe you've sat through a lecture where the professor seemed to speak a different language. This happens because of a fascinating phenomenon called the curse of knowledge. The curse of knowledge is our tendency to forget what it was like not to know something. Once we learn a concept, it becomes so clear in our minds that we struggle to imagine the confusion of someone encountering it for the first time. It's like being in a brightly lit room. It's hard to remember how dark it once was. This curse can be a real barrier to communication. Teachers, for instance, might bombard students with jargon and complex explanations, assuming they possess the same background knowledge. This leaves students lost in a sea of unfamiliar terms. So, how do we break the curse? The key is empathy. We need to step outside our own understanding and see things from the beginner's perspective. Imagine yourself learning the concept for the first time. What questions would you have? What basic building blocks do you need in place? By using clear language, relatable examples, and a step-by-step approach, we can bridge the knowledge gap. Remember, the most effective teachers aren't just experts, they're expert communicators who can illuminate the path for those just starting their journey. So next time you find yourself explaining something, take a moment to consider the curse of knowledge. By acknowledging it, you can become a more effective communicator and unlock the magic of learning for everyone.